not needed because I was looking at your code and I was like, why is this not there? And then I realized that some of my code was missing from your code, which would have made it easier. So it's
Okay.
um yeah, I do have to go through my code again. It's my old laptop still. Um and then probably merge that and then merge your code as well.
Okay.
Um but I'll try to get that done today.
Okay. That will be nice. So we can be
Yeah.
in sync, at least in sync, what's going on.
Yeah. I just have to
Hmm.
move over my code from my old laptop so I can
Okay.
work on it. Um, yeah.
Hmm. And Louis, you okay?
Oh yeah, no problem. So
Okay, good.
but I basically spent the last week and a bit on that the whole map thing. So thank you for getting me started on that. And now it's just a matter of trying to get as many people involved as possible in the region to either to help out or to host one of these devices. And I'll see how that goes. Um, Spent most of yesterday trying to understand how that application works.
Hmm.
It's kind of this big blob of everything, and it's re so I'd like to split off the database stuff from the actual API,
Hmm.
just because there's so much. It's like, oh, we're going to jump here, we're going to jump there, and it's really hard to understand how to modify it. Um, so anyway.
Okay.
But it's a prototype that can be shown and as a start. So, yay.
Yeah, that's most important. So
Yes.
you can start and go. I
Yeah.
would strongly suggest you to have a little bit better opening page for the website. And it's
Oh
so
yeah.
simple to do. If you do, you can even make a table for it. That should be fine. But at least the sites are okay. And if it's on the mobile, it doesn't go all over. Because
Yeah,
if
oh,
it's
yeah,
on
yeah,
the
yeah.
mobile, you cannot see it anything on it. So
Right,
be
right, right.
careful with it.
So, well, I'm taking your suggestion. I'm just going to install WordPress
Oh,
and then
that's very easy. Yeah, yeah.
yeah,
I mean,
yeah. So, well, I just
then
yeah. Yeah,
okay.
it's just
Okay, good.
I'm setting it up on my local machine first, and just the installation took overnight just because of there's so much crap being downloaded all through my narrow pipe that anyway.
Okay,
So
good.
anyway, that's in progress. But yes, it would be better that than just hand coded HTML. So
Yeah, but that's at least something. That's true. But,
yes.
and also, I saw that you mentioned that the Wi-Fi sometimes doesn't connect again because I.
Yeah, with the Zen that I had, um, I flashed it with the most recent version of and for some reason, every now and then, I have a little interruption in the wireless in the connection, not the Wi-Fi. It's between the house and the service
Ah.
provider.
Mm.
So basically, the whole internet for the house drops out momentarily, and for some reason, the Zen wasn't reconnecting. So just as an experiment, I backed it off to what was it 3.2.8 that's on the
Mhm.
M5 burner site, and I'll see how that goes.
Okay.
I'm
Yeah,
probably
that's
also
good.
yeah, I'm probably also going to set up a little cron job that just pings the whatever Google.com or whatever, every 10 or 20 seconds to see if to notice if I have any dropouts and see if the device all of a sudden just stops responding, uh, coincident with that dropout.
Mhm.
So
Because for both from the cast and from the Zen, my
yeah,
experience is they if there's a Wi-Fi gets away, not completely
yeah,
connected, it gets away. and then
Yeah,
it comes back. It's
yeah,
automatically it's fine. I mean,
yeah,
uh,
yeah. That's the Wi-Fi. But the question is okay. Well, there's two. I mean, there's two aspects. One is the Wi-Fi itself, and I can test that fairly easily. I just unplug the router
yeah.
for a minute. But for I suppose I can get the tech support people to reset the wireless modem, that's on the tower,
Mm,
and see if there's any see if there's any disruption there, where it's basically planned. Or I
hmm.
can just disconnect the cable to the uh, to the tower,
Mm,
right? Yeah.
okay.
But yeah, basically, it'd be an interesting experiment. But it takes a while because the thing only reports every 5 minutes. So it's just
Mm.
like, well, let's do something and see if it fails to reconnect after. So
Oh,
I'll
but
let
if
you
you
know.
set if you set it up to real time mode and not in home mode every 5 seconds,
Oh, I see. I can just tell it it's not at home. I
yeah,
just change the
yeah, change to
ch-
00
change.
or something else, or
Yeah, exactly. Okay, good point. Okay, so
then
five
it's
seconds.
5 seconds is much easier to troubleshoot.
Yes,
Mm.
good idea. Okay, well, I'll let you know.
Okay, okay, good. Important for me to know that it keeps connecting.
Yes.
But it
Yeah,
doesn't, it's still connected with the Wi-Fi then, right? It just loses
yeah,
connection to the internet.
that's right. So,
I
well,
think we did have this issue before with the bGeigieCast as well.
Hmm, I remember that. Yeah.
Um,
well,
but
Yeah, I have a
mm,
bGeiggie cast as well, so I'll try both.
yeah, I'm
But
not
I think
sure what
you
can.
fix it in the latest release because I have also a cast running all the time, and that doesn't matter if the Wi-Fi goes away or not, or when the power's down,
Yeah,
it
but
always
if
comes
the
back.
Wi-Fi goes away, it does reconnect to the Wi-Fi if it can find it again. But if it is still connected to the Wi-Fi, but the internet is gone and it doesn't reconnect to the internet, that's a separate issue. So,
Mm,
but I don't know why, because it still tries to connect
it
to the
should
internet
go.
like every
Yeah.
time it re does a request. So might have to restart the Wi-Fi. Like if it's connected but you have no internet, try to restart like something like that. That could fix it.
Okay.
I guess we can make something
Mm.
just as a failsafe. Um,
But that would be for the cast and for the Zen, then both.
well, initially it is Zen, yeah,
Yeah.
but for the cast, I can make the same. But I haven't worked on the
Mhm.
cast in a while, so
No, but don't worry about the cast so much because the in the Ukraine there's one up and it's all the time up. Even if the power goes down or internet goes down, and it still comes back. I mean, I was surprised how good it keeps sending data.
yeah, that's good.
Mhm. It's a good test there.
All
Michael,
right.
you okay? We see that you're there, but you're muted. Not anymore.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Morning. Bright light.
Suddenly it brights up. That's good. Oh, you seem
Yeah,
to have a better connection now too. Your video doesn't.
I don't know why. Nothing changed, but
yeah,
I still haven't put in the the new pucks and everything in the house, but anyway, good morning. Hope
good
everybody's
morning.
doing well.
Good.
Morning.
And Michael, did you see the kind of accident test I had with two Zens at the same time, and they have similar patterns they created by
Right,
they were incorrect, but it was consistent. That was interesting for me. They were both doing the same thing.
right. If you have did you do that with the test bed or with the
No,
Zen
not
itself?
yet. No, because I
Yeah,
noticed that
yeah, we can't look at can't replay the data then.
mhm. So I will the same place. I will make an recording with the test bed then. So
Right,
I know the place now where it has this kind of issues.
right.
Okay,
It
good. I will
does
do
look
that.
like a normal GPS drift, but it's
Yes.
quite a range.
Yeah, I
No, no,
thought so
it
too.
doesn't. It doesn't look normal because it's much more extreme than a normal GPS drift.
Yeah, yeah, I just realized that
That
this
should be
is
about. I mean, I had that one plot. I have it on my other computer, unfortunately. That was basically about 20 meters drift
No, this is about 3 or 4 kilometers
for
drift.
a static
right.
unit for a unit stationary unit out in the open.
Hmm.
You'll get 20 meters adrift. And that's just the
Um,
LSBs moving around.
I got like 200 here uh, at some point. Like it just drifts like 100 to 200 and then stops
Okay.
back. But this looks a lot more than that.
Yeah.
That is true. I don't know how much meter that is.
Yeah, it's about a kilometer or something like that.
Yeah, that's a
Yeah.
lot.
Mm.
Yeah.
Yeah, what's really strange is when I last Wednesday when it came back, I had it on, in the car, parked in the driveway, and then brought it inside and forgot to turn off the logger, and walked around the inside and put stuff away. And I looked at the track, just like Google Earth with KML, the KML file, and the drift was within the house, and I have a metal roof, so I don't understand. So so ah uh, and the track on the way home was just absolutely rock steady, except for when I was amongst tall buildings.
Mm.
So and so the so really it is quite unpredictable.
Mm. Okay. So, and another thing, yeah, like if you have time to check the uploader or the locker, I had some code for the locker too that seemed to work. I mean, I took it, but I didn't push it, so you can see the
For uploading
files.
log file.
Yeah, log file uploading, because some people
Did you
were
try like
asking.
a huge file as well, or just
No,
a
I didn't
small?
try a use file. I did first
Okay.
only for selecting the files. I was making a menu for it.
Okay.
You already started that, I saw, but
Yeah, that's on my other branch, which I haven't merged yet. Which
okay.
so my plan is to merge that and just comment out the log viewer again uh, until it's finished. Because the upload file does work, except for really big files, they take too long and the server times out. I haven't found a fix for that yet.
Okay, but that could be the server. That,
That could be, but I tried it from my laptop to do like a very slow upload. Um, that took a few minutes and the server did accept that. So I'm
mm,
not sure. I don't think it's the server.
but then again,
I have to
last
debug more.
3 days ago, the server got an fix, so maybe
Okay.
it will be better now. I mean, the
Yeah,
worker is back,
I can try it
so
again.
yeah, that would be great if we can get something. Some people are asking, can we directly upload? I said, no, not yet. We are working on it. So.
Hmm. Yeah.
And other things from my side is mm, for Aspi will have a workshop next month, and I made some sense for him, so he will try to for a small community workshop, and he will present the send there, and let's see if there's something comes out of there. And another thing for the Dutch people, I went to the expo and I talked with people at the expo, and they had a theme, the Dutch group there, called the Common Ground. So I made a proposal for the king from the Holland to be a supporter or a sponsor. And that the proposal is called Common Ground because then the common ground in Fukushima and openness and all these kind of things they talked about, and Ukraine, the common ground for the mankind. And that was maybe we will get him as a sponsor. I talked to the consul also about this. And the consul general said there's a possibility, so let's try it and see. So
Yeah.
maybe we have a royal safecast now coming up. So let's see. That's one idea.
Yeah, that would be cool.
And I made an orange one for him. Or did he build? It fits well, I think. In fact, I built it and I brought it to the expo, kind of naively thinking maybe I can present it to the king at that event, but that was completely closed off. Nobody could talk to him. I mean,
Oh,
it was so organized. But
maybe next time
maybe next time. So that's it.
once he joins. Can join the meeting as well.
Once he does, yeah, maybe he can join online. So then we have to change the background to orange and no, it's not like that.
Oh.
Anyway, so for me, not any more things, I think. If other people have other things, then please tell me.
No, I'm pretty much, I know what I'm doing.
Yes, I have seen what you're doing.
No, I've not much either. So.
Yeah.
No, I have the data from Louis and from other past logs that I can use to experiment with filtering. I just been very busy. So I'll get started on that when I can.
And I will make a recording for you, Michael. So from that spot when I know that it's not it's
Right.
drifting up surely, so you can have more data to check.
Yeah.
Okay. So we stop for today then, or
Just I just
yeah, that's good then.
posted the URL for the map just in case you guys are curious.
Yeah, it's nice you
So,
have that up and running, so that's good.
yes. So yeah, just don't look
Yeah.
at the front page. It's basically it's hand coded. It's basically uh, the level of my understanding of HTML. So
You don't have to understand. You don't know a compiler too. I mean, you're not going to binary code if you're making some
no,
other code too. So
yes,
it's another
yeah,
layer.
fun. Yeah, fun with a text editor. Anyway, have a good week, everyone.
Good. Yeah. One other
Yes.
thing, Louis. Please check the log files if you're not being attacked or something like that. Just keep flag on that.
Oh yeah,
The
yeah,
server log.
absolutely. Yeah, yeah, server logs.
Important. Yeah, we don't want
Yes.
to mess up things. Okay.
Okay,
Good.
great.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Have a great week.
Yeah.
You too.
Yeah.
Yep.
Okay.
All
Bye-bye.
right.
Bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.